Hello darlings, welcome to Tammy and Tiaras. A very different video this week. I'm actually sitting in bed. I'm very tired. I'm not bubbly. I'm not like I usually am. And I have to say, this is how I've been most of the time lately. I'm fighting the tiredness. I don't know why I'm so tired, but I am. So Bert's gone. He's off doing his thing with Richard, and he loves working with his boys and helping people, and it makes him very happy. And Lucy and I'll stay here and we'll clean the house again because that's what I do. And I've got an appointment later with the nurse to do a care plan because when you get older, you've got to be on care plans to get any work done that you need. So I've got one of those later and I'll get up and get dressed for that. But right now I just don't feel like getting out of bed. And I just wanted to ask if any of you get burnout out there, if you actually get days where you feel exhausted. And it's been going on for weeks now. I've been to the doctor and there's nothing wrong. It's just, I think it's me. I think I'm burnt out. And I can't even blame the weather because the weather's beautiful here in Ballarat at the moment. I mean, today's a bit gloomy, but that's okay. I like the gloomy days in among the hot days. Spring is here. The garden's looking wonderful. I look around, I see jobs everywhere to do. And I go, phew, I just can't seem to get motivated. I look upon my life as chapters. The chapter when I was young, the chapter when I had a family, the chapter when I had grandchildren. And now I'm in the chapter of the older age. I'm very lucky to have my grandchildren. They are beautiful and I love to see them. So I've tried to keep very busy this week. I've been spring cleaning, which to me is a huge job. I remove pictures off the walls and clean the back of photos and everything. I just do everything, apart from repaint the house basically. And I did my wardrobe and I've got a little video up there that I sped up because it actually took me a full day to do. And the next day I was just no good at all. I had it. So I've done that and Bert pressure washed the front concrete. So I had to do a major cleanup after that because pressure washing is wonderful, but it makes such a mess. So I've done that. I'm always cleaning, as you know. Lucy and I did a beautiful walk in the Wawukarong Regional National Park. It's a dementia-friendly park here in Ballarat. And and I didn't realise it was 3 kilometres. And we started walking, Lucy and I, and kept walking and walking. And before we knew it, we were 3/4 way, and I realised I had a long way to get back and my sugar was starting to drop. I didn't think it was that long. So we came back to the car and got home, and that was all right. And then we went back with Bert the next day. But I took Lucy's pram and I took provisions so that I was prepared. But it was a beautiful walk. Really, really lovely to get out in nature. And we very much enjoyed that, Lucy and I. I've just lost all my buzz. I'm sorry if this isn't uplifting. It's very raw. And your comments keep me going. It really is lovely to see people and have a chat with them through the day because my days are very long. So I'm going to work on a new fairy garden next week and hopefully I'll get my bubble back. But it's very hard to be up all the time, isn't it? I think it's my depression is coming back and it's been threatening for a while now. And I try and fight it off by keeping so busy and having my routine, which I will force myself up in a minute to do. Which means do my daily Bible reading, get on the bike, have breakfast, cook breakfast, do my daily routine. But anyway, that's enough of a pity party for me. How are you all doing? Please leave me a comment and let me know if any of you guys feel like this, where you just don't want to get up. I've even had coffee in bed in my nanny mug because that keeps it hot, because it takes so long for me to drink it. And I've got on my beautiful purple tiara today. But there you go. So that's this week, darlings. I hope next week will be better. It's 10 weeks till Christmas, and that's pretty frightening. I went to John yesterday, my hairdresser, and had my hair done. And I know it needs a new colour, but that's work. And I can't face any extra work at the moment. I'm just too burnt out. So that's about it. I'll leave you with the clips at the end of me cleaning and of the Wawukurong National Park that Lucy and I went to. It really was beautiful, and I might actually go and sit up there after for a little bit. It might cheer me up a little bit after I've been to the nurse. So I'm sending all my love, lots of love from beautiful Ballarat. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And leave me a comment, because they really do help. I can't get mental help here in Ballarat at the moment. There's 500 people on the waiting list, so to get in to see counsellors. So I think I'm somewhere about number 450. So you just have to get through the best you can. Sending all my love. Take care, and God bless. One way to dry the puppy off after a bath in her beautiful purple shampoo. Wherever you are in the world, darlings, have a beautiful day. Fur babies. They're the best. Oh, Lucy, drop. Drop, Lucy. Lucy, drop. Lucy, do you have a good view of the front yard? I'm not sure. I've just popped her bed up there and I'm just going to see if she likes to lay in it there. I think she will, because she likes to lay on this, but I think she'll really love to lay there. You have to look after your fur babies. They're family. They're everything. I'm missing Millie so much, but Lucy's giving me so much comfort. I'm so grateful for that. You have to be grateful for all the little things. You really do. Thank you, Lucy, for being you. Lucy, 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 good girl. Smile at the camera.